This is my garden, August 26th, 2011. Fountain. Bunch of stuff I've grown from seed. And just the pumpkin and gourd just sprouted up by the door. Hydrangea from Chris and Rachel's wedding. I brought it back to life, but it was near death. Nice sitting area. It's the wall. Grill, charcoal grill. My decorations, hummingbird feeder. Let's see what we have here. These are herbs that are grown from plants and miscellaneous other. Just my kitty statue and honorary kitties that have passed on. I believe we have here some miscellaneous flowers growing. They're just sprouting. You can barely see them. Some more flowers from Rachel and Chris's wedding. Didn't actually use them, but the same type. Bird bath. Kitty drinking place. I love it. Some rosemary bought at the store. And I sprouted some basil seeds a few weeks ago. Or a week ago, I think. Here's where our pepper plants. We had habaneros and jalapenos. We got 3 or 4 real tiny ones, but they were very hot. You can see all my gourds are growing like crazy. The pumpkins, not sure all what they're going to be. This is a little lamp that was supposed to be used for Chris and Rachel's wedding, but did not get used. At night it turns on and glows. Some more of my seeds, plants that have been coming up. Marigolds not blooming quite yet. Decorative things. Look at this. Gourd just keeps growing up and over. And the fountain area. My Buddha and peaceful things. Let's go out here and see the pumpkin. This is the pumpkin plant. It's huge. 12, 13 feet long. It's 1, maybe 2 plants. It's hard to tell. Here is the pumpkin growing like crazy, doubling its size. Just a week. Hopefully it is orange by the time for Halloween. Fall decorations. Everything looks great. Just outside of our patio. Kind of looking in there to it. That's it.